Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In previous session, we have seen how we can use math module and its functions for performing various mathematical operations. Now let us look at the trigonometric functions in math module. I'm taking a is equal to 0.67. For this value, I'm going to calculate the angles of sine, cosine, tan, sine inverse, cos inverse, and tan inverse. That is a tan, a sine, a cos, or a tan is nothing but inverse of the angles. Okay. So when I execute this, you can see that the sine of 0.67 is 0.62, cosine of 0.67 is 0.78, likewise tan of 0.67 is 0.79, and similarly inverse sine of A is 0.73 radians, for cos it is 0.836 radians, and for tan it is 0.59 radians. So now let us look at some of the complex trigonometric functions, and here the module we are importing is CMath, or the library we are importing is CMath, which is complex math. Okay, this is used to deal with the complex values or complex trigonometric functions. So one of the function which is inbuilt in Python is complex, whereas sin h, cos h, tan h, or inverse hyperbolic functions are there in CMath module. Okay, so first we are forming a complex number by using a equal to 3 and b equal to a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. The answer will be c is equal to 2 plus 3j, and that value we are passing here. Okay, so CMath dot sin h will give us sine hyperbolic of c, similarly cos hyperbolic, tan hyperbolic, and their inverses. Okay, let me execute it now, and you can see the values associated with the respective functions. Okay, so another important function we have is hypotenuse function. We can use it to calculate hypotenuse of a triangle. Okay, so I have taken x is equal to 34 and 4. Instead of that, I will take x is equal to 3, y equal to 4. Now let us calculate the hypotenuse, which is square root of 3 square plus 4 square is 5. Okay, likewise we can change the value also. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.